Mira esa guitarra.
Muchachos, que allá viene el caporal.
Muchachos, que allá viene el caporal.
El italiano no dijo por ese camino real. Pensando pa' poderlo jinetear. Huya, 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 huya.
Huya, 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 huya.
Chihuahua mi semblante lo dirá.
Benito Chihuahua mi semblante lo dirá.
Oh, su sombrero tejando por pura formalidad. La mano la doy con sinceridad. Huya, 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 huya.
Huya, 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 huya.
Gracias. Thank you so much, everyone. Let me hear you nice and loud. Feliz Navidad!
¡Feliz Navidad!
Yes, so welcome to the Epcot International Festival of the Holidays. Somos el Mariachi Cobre. Thank you so much for joining us. How about another big round of applause for Miguel Molina? The beautiful El Caporal de Chihuahua. Now, Navidad in Mexico. Christmas in Mexico is a special time of the year. It's a time for family, friends, and love. And for all of us, really, it's more than just one day out of the year. It's an entire season filled with celebration and fiestas. And of course, at our fiestas, we serve up a lot of good food, traditional dishes like tamales, stews, warm stews. We have menudo, pozole, and my favorite dish of all, delicious mole. Ooh, can't get enough of that. And with all of that good food, we have traditional song and dance similar to what you'll see here today. We're going to continue now with the villancico. This one speaks of the bells ringing over Bethlehem. This is called Campana sobre Campana.
Campana sobre campana, y sobre campana dura, asómate a la ventana, verás al niño en la oscura. Belén, campanas de Belén, que los ángeles tocan, que nuevas vendrán.
Thank you very much, folks. At this time, please welcome our fiesta, Navidad dancers del Ballet Folclórico Viva Mexico with Rosario and Abraham. Welcome, welcome. Now, folks, these beautiful poinsettia flowers you see way up here, native to Mexico, play a very important part in our fiesta, Navidad. As the story goes, a young Mexican girl who had no gift to offer at the Christmas Eve service remembered that even the most humble gift, if given in love, is truly appreciated. So she gathered together a bouquet of leaves from the side of the road, and when she placed them on the Christmas altar, guess what happened? They bloomed into beautiful red poinsettia flowers just like these you see here today. Now this was considered a true Christmas miracle, and the poinsettia flower became known as Flor de la Nochebuena, or Flower of the Holy Night, because of the way it blooms during the Christmas season. Gracias, thank you, Rosario. Now, today is our gift to you. We wish to present traditional music and dance from the beautiful northern state of Chihuahua. In Chihuahua, musicians and dancers alike enjoy performing new festive polka-style songs. At Christmas time, we enjoy celebrating our heritage by performing these songs and dances. So without further ado, please enjoy this polka entitled Florecitas Mexicanas.
Now, in Mexico, we celebrate our traditions all together as a community. So with that being said, I want everybody's help on this next song. It's a clap-along song, so get your hands ready to clap along. And it's one you might be familiar with, but if not, just follow our dancers and they'll show you exactly where to clap. Now, we're going to practice a few times. You have your hands ready?
Si.
Okay, now whenever you hear this melody, clap. 2 claps right there, okay? Some of you know it, some of you not. Let's try it again. Whenever you hear this melody, we're getting there. One more try. Whenever you hear this melody, there we go, just like that. Here is La Raspa.
Amigos, en México tenemos una tradición que celebra la historia de María y José, y esta se llama Las Posadas. This is the story of Mary and Joseph and their arrival into Bethlehem while looking for a place to stay. And the word posada in English translates to an inn or lodging. And so, in this beautiful tradition, everyone gets all dressed up and they make their way around the neighborhood, singing and knocking on doors. But they're always being turned away until finally one home at the very end lets them in. And in that home there's a big Christmas party. En esta gran fiesta de Navidad hay comida, música y la piñata. And the whole community gathers and celebrates there. So together we'll all celebrate a little bit of Las Posadas. And so when Maria and Jose knock on your door, let's turn them away, okay? Let's practice that. Go ahead. So you're going to go ahead and shake your finger. You're going to move them along. But I promise you at the end, we'll let them in, have a party, and maybe even break a piñata.
¿Quién les da posada a estos peregrinos que vienen cansados de andar los caminos? Por más que digáis que feliz rendidos, no damos posada a desconocidos. ¡Sí! Santos peregrinos, peregrinos, reciban este rincón, aunque pobre la morada, toda doy de corazón.
And now that we've let them in, it's everyone's favorite part of the party, La Piñata! So traditionally the piñata is filled with all kinds of candies, fruits, treats, and other goodies for the children. And when we do break it, everything falls to the ground and everybody tries to get everything that they can. So let's celebrate this beautiful tradition. Let's break the piñata!
Quiero oro y quiero plata, yo lo que quiero es romper la piñata. Quiero oro y quiero plata, yo lo que quiero es romper la piñata. Dale, no pierdas el tiro, que si lo pierdes, pierdes el camino. Ya le diste una, ya le diste dos, ya le diste tres y tu tiempo se acabó. Dale niña, no te dilates, con la canasta de los cacahuates. Dale niñata de rincón, con la canasta de la colación. Quieren coquites y canelones, a los muchachos que se ven chabones. Quiero oro y quiero plata, yo lo que quiero es romper la piñata.
Thank you, everyone. We hope you enjoyed the show just as much as we enjoyed sharing our Christmas traditions with all of you. Now we have one more song to go, and you know what? We need some extra dancers up here. Who wants to come up and dance? Come on, don't be shy, don't be shy. Those young at age, and those young at heart, you're all invited to come up here. We're gonna have a big dance party. From the bottom of our hearts, on behalf of our dancers, Rosario, Abraham, all of you friends at Mariachi Cobre, we would like to wish all of you Feliz Navidad, Happy New Year, have a happy and safe holiday season. Thank you again so much for joining us. Our dancers are going to pass out some candies for the children after the show, so stick around for that. Last call for dancers. All right, everyone, here we go with Feliz Navidad.
Navidad, próspero año y felicidad. Feliz Navidad, feliz Navidad, feliz Navidad, próspero año y felicidad. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart.
Gracias, increíble. ¡Feliz Navidad! Adiós.
Some candies for you if you want some candy.